Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. We need to discuss two different things before we'll start. The first one, you need to have the internet connection. I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, so you can avoid some charges. And the second thing is that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can do it right after entering the Play Store, or you can simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device if you don't want to do it alone. Alright, so after that we can finally enter the Play Store. Okay, let me simply speed up the video. I will just enter the password and we will proceed. Alright. So we've got the Google Play Store, and now we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it. This is basically our own account. Then tap on Manage Apps on Device and enter Manage. So here we've got the list of installed apps. So let's tap on Updates Available, and in my case I've got only 3. Of course, if you want to, you can update all of the apps which will appear on this list, or simply choose specific options. I'll choose maybe TikTok and Netflix. So just mark those options and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.